Alrighty, let's jump into creating the side view of our robot. The other tutorials should be out there for creating the front view, so I'm going to put it in the same tutorial. The last color I had selected was blue, so wanting to be the same height, but not the same width, of course, because this is a side view. And yeah, I'm going to center it on there. If you don't have the previous tutorial, don't worry about it. I mean, you can go take it if you want to. I won't mind. Kind of would like you to. Grab that color. I'm actually using stroke here. What is going on here with the stroke? Okay, it was just, okay, it was set, I did not change that setting. It was set to draw the stroke first. So the shape itself was covering it up. Alright, we got to do the arm slots, or I guess the armature slots. These allow him to be mounted to the wall, to a roof, a ceiling, or they have his arms connected to them. And yeah, we're going to put a little bit of gradient on it. We're going to create our own manual gradient. Definitely. A radial gradient would not really work here because the arms, the shape is not perfectly radial. Now, I know you can work with the radial gradient on that point, but I like to keep working with the manual gradient so I remember how. Back of the head. He's an old school TV, like I said before in the previous video. Some genius just turned him into an InfoBot. So he does still have tubes and things going sparky and other stuff inside of him. So we're drawing the side view of the antenna. I don't think this is going to be as long a tutorial as the previous one. He might look pretty cool with the other type strokes of line drawing by drawing the shape instead of a stroke. Take a look at my tutorial, go to my page, and you can see that tutorial. I have a talk about it. And I think he would actually look kind of cool with that. So we're doing his static bars in case he builds up some static to discharge. So when he goes down corridors, he has special maintenance corridors, I guess, that he goes into to get between areas that where he discharges any static he built up. Okay, now I'm just going to steal some parts from over here, of course. Yeah, that is still the arm. I think that would be a good idea. Although it's on the back, so we need to get rid of all that stuff. Just going to move the arm itself into place and we'll adjust it. Kind of want to send it back behind the other shape. It does make it look a little bit like it's a little bit back in space. All right, I'm giving him a picture tube, a round picture tube on front. And since I'm doing this tutorial in the same place as the other tutorial, the gradient should already be there. I might have to adjust it. This really is a more 1980-ish TV. Hold down the control key and just snapping it up there. Send it to the back. We have a TV tube. I don't think he would be very hard to do at 3/4 space either. So just grab all that, group it together, duplicate it. Oh, that's not working at all. What happened here? They're still there. I must have duplicated a subshape. I'm just going to put that in the back for the moment. I've messed up my original shape. Give me a minute here. Oops. There we go. Not too severe. No, I don't want to save. My fault for clicking Control S, huh? Alright, so we have the side view of that. Need to make the same. What did I do? There we go. That made it work. He could have a bunch of features added to him. Maybe some lines to represent vents on the back a little bit later. Right now I'm just worried about the buttons and keeping this tutorial in the range that people like on YouTube. But he could have some vents on the back. He really should have some screws. I think we can only see the blue button, the blue light on the front. I decided that maybe they're not buttons, they're just lights. So I'm kind of making this 3D a little bit. Or giving it some depth by... Alright, come on. Driving me nuts here, Inkscape. Turn that black or dark gray, a nice slate gray. Yeah, he could have a bunch of features added to him. Alright, if you got something out of this, like and subscribe. All glory be to God, and I will see you in the next video. And if you want some more videos like this, please do comment. Thank you.